Welcome to HooknLoops. I'm EJ Hart. Today I'm going over how to access some features on my channel. Okay, so when you click on a video, there is a thumbs up and a thumbs down button, and you can choose whichever one you'd like to show whether or not you liked it or not. And it adds it to your liked videos list. And over here there is a arrow or a triangle. You just click that and the description box will appear down below. And I put a lot of information in the description box. If I find a mistake that I've made in the video after I've posted it, I will put the correction in the description box. I list all the tools that I use. Sometimes I will have a free written pattern on one of my blogs. You just click that blue link and it'll take you right to the site. This is the subscribe button. If you want to subscribe to a channel, then you'll get all notifications of whenever they post a new video. And it's absolutely free. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. This is the HooknLoops Facebook group. You can just click that blue link. It'll take you right to the Facebook group. You can join and then you can post your projects that you've made. I love to see all the projects that everyone's made. You click this icon right here whenever you want to make the screen larger. In the upper right hand corner there are 3 dots. You click on that and a screen will appear. You can click on captions to turn the captions on. You can also click on report to report a video, change the quality, playback speed. You can make the playback speed slower. And the captions will appear and you can click whichever one has been installed there. English is what I usually have on mine. And then right here you can see that the words, the captions are down here in white. At the end of my video I have this little icon and you click that and you can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. If you click this arrow right here, you can then be able to share it on all of your social medias. And this icon right here will let you save it to a playlist. When you're watching a video, scroll all the way down to the bottom past all the other suggested videos, and this is where you can add a comment. And click the little blue arrow to submit the comment. Click this button to like a comment. You can click this button to reply to the comment. Click these 3 little buttons to edit, delete, or reply to the comment. And here are some of the projects that I made videos for. Consider subscribing to HooknLoops. Just click the icon and click subscribe. And thank you for watching.